Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Lin-Laurentides is a charming town, nestled in the Lanaudière region of Quebec. This picturesque community is located along the beautiful Lachigan River, offering stunning views and plenty of outdoor activities. Saint-Lin-Laurentides is the birthplace of one of Canada's most famous prime ministers, Sir Wilfrid Laurier. He served from 1896 to 1911 and played a key role in shaping Canada's history. You can visit a National Historic Site here in his honor, and throughout the year, the town hosts festivals and events that celebrate its rich history. Saint-Lin-Laurentides is also a great place for nature lovers. The Lachigan River Park offers opportunities for canoeing, pedal boating, and even ice skating in the winter. And if you're a fan of outdoor theater, make sure to check out the shows at the Salle Au Pale, a local venue that often stages summer performances. Whether you're passing through on Route 158 or staying a little longer, Saint-Lin-Laurentides is a wonderful place to explore, relax, and experience some of Quebec's finest nature and history.
watching.